Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn complex number, exercise 2.6, question number 4, part number 1. In previous lectures, we have learned about addition, multiplication and subtraction of the complex numbers. Today we will learn about the division of complex numbers. So first we revise some formula, some signs, that is iota is equal to under root minus 1, iota square is equal to minus 1, iota cube is equal to minus iota, and iota raised to power 4 is equal to 1. And we have also know that complex conjugate, if we have a plus b iota, then its conjugate will be a minus b iota, and if we will 1 minus b iota, then its conjugate will be a minus a plus b iota. Simply we change the sign of iota, okay, and now here is plus and we have changed it by minus sign. So dividing complex number in case of monomial case, we will do c over p iota multiply with iota over iota, and if in case of binomial we multiply and divide by conjugate of complex number. Here is c over a plus b iota, we multiply with a minus b iota and divide by a minus b iota that have seen on this screen. Now we will solve some problem of exercise 2.6. First question, simplify and write your answer in the form of a plus b iota. So first question, minus 2 over 1 plus iota. We have seen that here is binomial number, so minus 2 over 1 plus iota, we multiply and divide by 1 minus iota and 1 minus iota, that is conjugate of 1 plus iota. Now we will solve it. Minus to multiply with minus iota, and I over here is a formula of a square minus b square, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here is a plus b and a minus b, then a whole square minus iota whole square is equal to a square minus b square. Here we get minus 2 into 1 minus iota, 1 minus iota square. We know that iota square is equal to minus 1, so we change iota square into 1 minus 1. So we get 1 minus into minus 1. When multiply with minus minus, we get plus. So minus 2 into 1 minus iota over 1 plus 1. Then we get minus 2 into 1 minus iota over 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then 2 and 2 cut from each other, so we get minus into 1 minus iota, and simply we multiply with minus. Here we get minus 1 plus iota, and this is the solution of the question minus 2 over 1 plus iota. And we have learned today about the division of complex number.